Hello students, I am Aisha Manchi handling math subject for first standard. Students, we are learning our second chapter simple subtraction. We learn subtraction by crossing out and we solve these all problems. We also solve subtract the following numbers, then match the answer with number in column on the right. In our last class, we learned subtraction on the number line. So students, today we are going to learn subtraction by backward counting. Subtraction by backward counting on page number 78. On page number 78. Follow the example and subtract by counting backwards. Student, there is given one example, 18 minus 2, and we have to count backwards from 18. How much digits we have to count backwards? We have to count backwards only 2 digits because there are given 18 minus 2. Here is given number is 18. Before this which number come? 1, 17, and before this 16. These 2 digits we have to count backwards from the 18. 18, 17, 16. Student, 18 minus 2 equals to 16. Next one is 35 minus 3. Count backwards from 35. How much digit we have to count? We have to count 3 digit backwards from 35. Here given number is 35. Next, before this which number come? 34. Before this 33, and before this 32. 1, 2, 3. We count 3 digits backward from 35 and it stop on 32. 35 minus 3 equals to 32. Next one is 58 minus 6. 58 minus 6. Count backwards from 58. How many digits we have to count backwards? We have to count 6 digits backward from 58. Here is given number is 58. Before this which number come? 57, and before this 56, 55, 54, 53, and 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We count 6 digit backward from 58. 58 minus 6 equals to, where it stop on 52. It means 58 minus 6 equals to 52. Students, there are given 4 examples. We solved 2 examples. You have to solve these 2 in your maths notebook and textbook and as your homework. Let's move on next exercise or example. Next one is subtraction of 0. Subtraction of 0. 0 means nothing. Therefore, when nothing is subtracted from a number, the number remains the same. Student, 0 means nothing. There is nothing to subtract in the given number. There is one example. Let us see. Subtract 0 from 4. The answer is 4. 4 minus 0 equals to 4. 0 means nothing. We do not have anything to subtract from 0. 0 means nothing and the number remains same as it is. 4 minus 0 equals to 4. In the same way, 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 2 minus 0 equals to 2. 10 minus 0 equals to 10. Subtract 3 minus 0 equals to, yes, tell me. 3 minus 0 equals to 0. Sorry student, 3 minus 0 equals to 3. 0 means nothing to subtract from number 3. Next is 5 minus 0 equals to 5. Here also nothing subtract anything from the number 5. It means 5 remains as it is same. 28 minus 0 equals to 28. Number remains the same. 45 minus 0 equals to 45. Here also nothing to subtract from 45. Here student, 9 minus 0 equals to 9. Number remains the same. Nothing we are having to subtract from number 9. 6 minus 0 equals to 6. Next, 13 minus 0 equals to 13. And last one is 42 minus 0 equals to 42. Next exercise is subtraction of a number from the same number. Subtraction from a number of a number from the same number. When we subtract a number from the same number, we get 0. For example, student, 4 minus 4 equals to 0. In a easy method, students, you have 4 chocolates and you eat all the 4 chocolates. How much chocolates remain in you? Here remains nothing. You eat all the 4 chocolates. There are nothing remain from you. Similarly, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. You have 1 chocolate and you eat the 1 chocolate. That 1 chocolate you have to eat. What remains? There remains nothing. It means 0. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Let us see. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Here remains 0. 6 minus 6 equals to, here also 0. 15 minus 15 equals to 0. And 35 minus 35 equals to 0. So student, we solve this exercise. You have to solve these 4 in your maths type notebook and textbook and send on WhatsApp on page number 79. Thank you.